Under 20k segment, POCO X3 will already automatically come inside your list. For some people it may be even the number one preference. Leaving the AMOLED screen, it has the Snapdragon 732G. It has an LCD but 120Hz refresh rate, a 6000 mAh battery and a charging wise 33W fast charging. The camera wise also it's a top notch for the price. But few people have second thoughts when they see this mobile. It's because of its few problems like battery drain issue, storage optimization issue and heating issue. So should we buy this device? Have these problems been solved or not? So let's move ahead with the video. Now I'll explain the problems known to me and will also give you their solutions. And in the end I'll guide you whether to buy this device or not. So I had recently posted a POCO X3 battery drain issue video, but when I checked the comments I found that there's not just this one issue, but there are others as well. So now I will start with the first issue, that is the storage optimization issue. So what is this storage optimization and why does it occur? For some users, for example, if we see this image right now, for some users for no reason 90+ GB of space has been occupied by something called the others. But when we go through the device, we find that there is no file that is occupying 90 GB. But because of this reason, people are not able to download other apps from the app stores which they like. So the first solution to this problem is that go to the MI website, then go to the customer care chat or support, or even tag them in Twitter. So they may message you back that it must be a software issue and they may solve it in the next software update. But if they said that there is no software issue, then I have the second solution. Then you may go to the nearest MI service center and say them the problem. If the problem is known to the company, they will immediately solve this by making some software changes in your device and give it to you clean, where you can see that there is no 90+ GB again occupied. So some people have been upgrading their phone from 32 GB to this 128 GB phones and a higher storage phone. So when they would have checked their device in the 32 GB one, they must have seen that the device is the system is only occupying 8 GB of space or maximum 10 GB of space. But when they are upgrading to this 128 GB device, they see that 30 GB has been occupied by the system. Well, there is a very simple reason for that. That's because MIUI is not a clean software. It is having a lot of bloatware inside it. So the bloatwares are present inside the phone because the company wants to promote their own particular apps and their own advertises to promote their brand. But if you feel that okay, I don't want these bloatwares as they are occupying more space, then you can go for something that is having the stock Android experience, like the phones which are having like operating system based on the Google Pixel type, or you can go with the OnePlus Nord. That is the only reason why there is that 30 GB of extra space has been occupied by the system in your 128 GB device or your 256 GB device. So that's all with this issue. So the second issue is of course the heating issues. For many people saying POCO X3 is heating more than the POCO X2, but this is not a heating issue if you ask me. If you buy another phone in the same budget and play games on it, you will feel that this POCO X3 and the same phone under the same budget are heating equally. The reason POCO X3 is heating more than the POCO X2 is pretty simple. POCO X2 had a glass back, so glass of course heats very slow. Like even if it heats, it's gonna heat at a longer period of time, after a longer period of time. But POCO X3 has a plastic back, so of course plastic heats faster than the glass. I may say that POCO X3's heating issue is not excess, it is just more than the POCO X2. That's the only reason why POCO X3 actually heats faster than the POCO X2. So you can of course go for the POCO X2, but then there is again a small battery in the POCO X2, and people are already complaining that POCO X3 is having battery drain issues. So If you go with the POCO X2, you will feel that it is having even more lesser battery than the POCO X3. But in the end, of course, it's your choice which phone you want to go with. And anyways, thanks for watching guys, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing to the channel and also liking the video, and hit the bell icon, of course, to stay tuned with the latest technology tips, unboxing and reviews. We will see you in the next one.